Hey, Strickland's Automator, and I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here with AI with Claude. I had saw there was a Canva MCP. I installed it, and then you have to install it with the Claude app. You just download that and install it, and then I asked it to build me a thumbnail in Canva, and it said I can't do that, I don't have access. And I'm like, yeah, hey idiot, use the stupid Canva MCP I installed. Oh, okay. So it created this and opened a little quirky there, but and of course this looked nothing like our traditional ones. To give you an idea what it actually created, which I mean, I wouldn't use them, but it's interesting. I think it's really cool. But I said, hey, that's great, but my thumbnails usually use these colors, and the yellow's the background. I gave it basically, so I haven't looked at this yet. Let's see what it does. If these are closer to what, ha! Yeah, perfect. What? Well, that has a sort of yellow background. I told it to highlight the Autohotkey words in green, which is what I normally do. What? These should be much closer to use yellow background. All right, we'll try this again. Again, this is the first time I've done this, and once I get a template that does it reliably, you can probably speed up. What I'd love to do is to say, point to a template and say, look at this. And actually, that's what I probably should do, is give it one of my thumbnails. Right after this thing runs, I will try that. I'll give it one of my thumbnails as one or two as a guide of like, this is what we're trying to create. Because obviously, when you're using AI, far better to give it examples of what you're wanting, because it's very easy to forget how you can easily misinterpret things in what you're doing, right? So we'll see how this is doing. I did tell it a YouTube thumbnail, so hopefully it's getting the dimensions right. But it looked right, but we'll see. It does look like we're plugging along here. Now, Canva itself has an AI in it, so hopefully this is great. Well, I can use this because I don't want to pay for another AI service, but if I can use this directly from Claude, that's really cool. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, mercy. That was hilarious. Well, that was closer. I'll give them that. There's still white text. I didn't ask for it in a person, but there's black text. Slow is in red. Why they're mentioning my colors, I have no idea if those are my colors. Let's jump to this one. Hey, that was closer. Even though I don't like it and they misspelled stuff, that's much closer. But let me say, So of course I have a path to my YouTube. Oh, I'm actually there. I was going to say I have a path to navigate here. A hot string for it. Amazing in the short. Let's see, 17 ways. These previews are horrible. There we go. Oh, that's actually that one. That one works great. I don't want to use that one. Oh, it looks like I can't select more than one at a time, I think. So I'll go with this one. And we'll attach one more. I should probably sort. Let's see here. I have a couple thumbnails. Been doing this a while. There we go. That's a good example. Okay. Hopefully this, like I said, will really help. It theoretically should. Oh, now I get it. Yeah. So this is great. Reading this, hopefully this is still somewhere where I can get it later. I might copy some of this and mention that. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Looks like it went away. Maybe I can still get it. Yeah. Those are things I might want to mention, in my prompt when I do this again. If I build, and maybe I can build a project doing this, so I can have a project to create my YouTube thumbnails. The thumbnails don't take me long to do manually, but hey, if AI can do it or get me, 60-70% of the way there, I have less tweaking to do. Boy, that's horrible. Then that'd be great. Again, so I am a paying Claude user. I think I pay, yeah, that one I'm paying $20 a month for. No, maybe I paid for the year. I don't remember. Grok, I know I just paid for the year. Both Claude and Grok do solid Autohotkey V2 code, which is why I use those more than anything else. The other AI tools are great. I do use ChatGPT for other things, for image generation for one. That does great. If I want a SVG, then I'll switch to Claude. Jesus. It's so horrible. Well, that's closer. Although I don't know why it seems like it's small. The dimensions are right, but I don't know if that actually is gonna, oh, that was sorry, I'm clicking the show image instead of edit. What is this? I hate this kind of crap. Like that extra stuff in there. Let's I'll just show image. So it's like a preview. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. I could work with that. Let me see if I can edit that one now. Let's see. Edit this design. This should open up in my account with my brands and colors. Yeah, that's weird that they, like, I don't understand this part of it. The coloring is funny to me. Slow should have been in red. Autohotkey just in green, right? So right now, for me, this would be more work than it's worth. I do like the tips to improve your script performance. It really isn't what's in that video. This is more about, you do end up getting that of being able to find, oh, that's an image they generated. Oh, that's interesting. Here's text, but this is an image, apparently. So that's interesting. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Again, AI it's amazing. It's coming. It's really helpful. Not so much in this case, not yet at least. And maybe someone can tell me better ways to do this, because like I said, I was live, first time use, just thought I'd document it. Hope you're having a great day. Like the video if you almost learned something. Cheers.